Well, it is another fantastic day here at Fun King Garage, only we're not at Fun King Garage. We are at Power Tour 2024. The car has made it as far as Bowling Green, not without some upsets, but more on that later. We've just gotten here, we've just parked, we've unloaded, and we're heading over to the first venue. So here we are walking into the first venue, which is Bowling Green, Kentucky. Little swagger. What are these normal cars? Yeah, it's is this the employee line? It's the people who didn't have any trouble getting here, so they got here first. So we're back at the hotel. The venue was crazy. There were so many people there and they were still a little hot, and of course we're still very tired from the drive up here. So we didn't really stay long. We did make it around to get our credentials punched and stuff. Pick up a few of the freebies like this awesome shirt that GM gave me so that I can wrench on my Ford and not dirty up my Fun King shirts. But we do have a couple of small issues. I broke the vacuum line that goes to the distributor, not the distributor itself, but the rubber hose cracked and broke off, so I have no vacuum advance right now. And Tennessee hates lowriders. Coming into Tennessee, the roads were so rough. We actually now have a bit of a bumper problem and a lot of a rattle. So I'm gonna get underneath there and check that. I may have to go to the local Menards and get some hardware. I also need to check the tires because I've picked up a very odd vibration. But I would say day one is a success. I know we didn't have a whole lot of coverage of the event, but it was just very chaotic. We will definitely get some coverage of day two tomorrow as we head to Lebanon, Tennessee. It's just all cracked and split and broken. Don't touch the shiny parts. That's still burning hot. Okay, that's done. Oh, there's a lot loose. There is a lot loose under there. Thank you, Tennessee. Sure appreciate the way you treat my lowrider. The good news is it's not going to be a hard fix. I stole a bolt from somewhere else. No lock washers, no lock nuts. Previous owner just didn't care. That should fix that. So it looks like all of the suspension parts I welded on are still holding in there, so I guess I did at least as good as the 4-year-old welding child that built the kit. But everything is still in place where it goes. See that I've got a little bit of bushing damage. May have to look into some better bushings. But everything underneath here looks pretty good after being abused by Tennessee. So I was able to fix the vacuum line on the distributor. I was also able to tighten up both sides of the front bumper, so we no longer have that rattling and chattering and all kinds of crazy stuff. I reached underneath and touched as many things as I possibly could to make sure that everything was set. So I think other than checking tire pressure and fluids in the morning, we'll be good to head to Lebanon, Tennessee. Alright, so find the center. Not littering, I'll pick that up. Why are you still here?